Hi, I'm Jamie from Leathersmith Designs. Today I'm going to show you a few simple ways to set some studs in leather. The studs have two legs coming out the back, or prongs. To set them in the leather, you first have to punch slots. You can accomplish that with an awl, a lacing chisel, or a spot chisel. The spot chisel punches two slots at the same time. First, you have to mark where your slots are going to go. I measured these 1/2 inch distances apart. Or, if you're doing a lot, you can make a pattern so you don't have to measure each time. First, I'm going to make the slots with an awl. And as I push it through, I'm going to make sure that the next one is parallel, the next slot is parallel to the first slot. Then I push my legs through the slot and I take a pair of needle nose pliers, hold them vertically, I push down into the leather so it's going to be nice and tight against the stud, and I bend it a bit this way, and I do the same with the other leg, push down, bend it a bit. Now it's not pushed into the leather, so to do that I take the end of my needle nose pliers and I put it on the end of the tip and push it right down into the leather so it curves downwards. And there it is, set nicely in the leather. I'm using a lacing chisel to make the slots in the leather for the legs of the studs. And if you want to save time, you can also use a spot chisel which punches two slots at the same time. For tools and other leathercraft supplies, check out our website www.leathersmithdesigns.com.